split mung beans, tomato rice. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the beans recipes and one of the most unique of the yellow rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fried rice recipes and one of the most different of the tomato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the meals under $1. One of the most unique of the Mung dal recipes. Today we are going to make split mung beans tomato rice. The ingredients are 100 grams of split mung beans soaked in water for half an hour, 1 onion cut into pieces, 1 green chili, 25 grams of garlic, 25 grams of ginger, and 3 tomatoes cut into pieces, 1 spoon of fennel seeds, half of a lemon. Heat the pan, pour 5 ml oil, let the oil get heated. Put in the onion pieces. Salt, garlic, keep on sauteing. Thoroughly saute and mix. Now put in the fennel seeds. Mix the fennel seeds with the onions and salt. Keep on sauteing. Thoroughly saute and mix. Saute and mix thoroughly. All sauteing. Now put in the ginger. Salt. teaspoon salt, now put in the garlic, salt, the garlic, the ginger, put in the green chili, salt, and mix that in. Now put in the tomato pieces. Put in salt too. Put in lemon juice. Salt. Keep on salting. Thoroughly salt the tomatoes to the rest of the mixture. Salt and mix thoroughly. Keep on salting. Thoroughly salt and mix. In between, crush the tomatoes. Salt and mix thoroughly. Now put in the split mung beans. Mix. Thoroughly mix. Now pour in 250 cl of water. Mix and let this mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 15 minutes. Cooking for the required time. Put in a cup of washed soaked rice. Mix and let this mixture cook for 15 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now the split mung beans tomato rice is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final split mung beans tomato rice. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the yellow rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fried rice recipes and one of the most delicious of the beans recipes and one of the most unique of the mung beans recipes and one of the most different of the tomato recipes and one of the most unique of the rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the one pot meals and one of the most unique of the meals under $1. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.